Welcome to Yale Summer Session. This is a pre-arrival presentation for students who are new to the Yale campus. We look forward to welcoming you to Yale this summer. This video will review some of the logistical information to prepare you for your Yale Summer Session program. Please follow along and do not hesitate to email or call us if you have any further questions. Oh, and for your reference, Yale Summer Session is sometimes known as YSS. First things first. Now that you're admitted, you need to activate your Yale Net ID. Your Net ID and activation PIN will be emailed to you in two separate emails within 2 weeks of your acceptance. You should activate your Net ID as soon as you receive information about it. It's time to plan your travel to New Haven, Connecticut, the beautiful and iconic home of Yale University. And let's not forget a city for foodies, especially pizza lovers. For your convenience, we've outlined all of your travel options online at summer.yale.edu/travel. There you will find information on nearby airports, airport shuttles, bus services, and train stations. The airports students most commonly use are JFK, LaGuardia, Newark, Bradley, and sometimes Tweed. We recommend that you make arrangements for a shuttle from the airport before you travel to New Haven. If you are arriving to New Haven by train to Union Station, we recommend downloading the Uber or Lyft apps and using them to travel to campus. You may also hail a taxi or take the free Yale shuttle. We'll tell you more about the free Yale shuttle a little later on. Please note that students may not arrive late to or leave early from any YSS program. So please make your travel plans accordingly. You can double-check the program dates on our website. YSS classes meet on holidays, so you will need to go to classes on Memorial Day, Juneteenth, and Independence Day. After your Net ID is activated, you will have access to upload your immunizations. You should do this immediately, as immunization verification takes some time. If you're taking classes on Yale's campus this summer, then you will need a Yale ID card as well. Your ID card will give you access to Yale facilities, the gym, libraries, events, and lots of other things around campus. Students living on campus will also use their ID card to access their residential college and dining hall. Once you've activated your Net ID, you will need to upload a photo for your ID before you come to campus. We will have your ID card ready for you when you arrive at Yale this summer. For in-person and online courses, you will access your course materials through Yale's online learning management system, Canvas. A week before your classes start, visit canvas.yale.edu, where you will be able to check out the syllabus and other course materials. Our next topic is how to pay your bill. Your bill due date depends on your program. To look up and pay your balance, log into your student account in the Yale Hub at yub.yale.edu. New Haven is a very walkable city, and most students prefer to walk to and from their classes. However, the Yale Shuttle is also another easy and free mode of transportation at Yale. You can download the Double Map app to see the shuttles in real time, so you'll never miss the bus. The shuttles offer daytime and nighttime routes, as well as a special safe ride shuttle after 6 p.m. Living on campus this summer, you will be sent detailed move-in instructions via email before the start of your program. Housing check-in will be the Sunday before your program start date. Yale's residential colleges do much to foster spirit and a sense of community at Yale Summer Session. Each residential college is a gated community with a dining hall, library, and common space. Living on campus means that you will enjoy the full college experience brought to life by our residential life team, all of whom either work at Yale during the academic year or are currently enrolled students. Now let's discuss what to pack. In New Haven, the weather in June is hot but less humid, and July is usually hot and humid, but this can vary from year to year. Be sure to check online before you arrive to see what the weather will be like. Certain areas of the residential colleges have air conditioning, like the dining halls and some of the common areas. Some classrooms have air conditioning, but individual dorm rooms do not. In regards to clothing, we recommend clothing you can layer, informal or sports clothes, a light sweater or light coat, an umbrella and a raincoat, and business casual attire for special events and activities. Students living on campus will receive a full meal plan in a college dining hall. A wide variety of food options are served at every meal. Vegetarian and vegan dining options are also available. Yale Dining can accommodate a wide variety of dietary needs. All students living on campus will be assigned a residential counselor. Residential counselors are current Yale students who will serve as a wonderful resource to help you adjust to life at Yale. They also coordinate a variety of cultural and fun activities. Visit summer.yale.edu/residential-life to learn more about the summer staff, summer campus community, and events planned just for you. If you're living on campus, your dorm room includes a twin XL bed with a mattress, a dresser, chair, and desk. Sheets, a pillow, and bath towels are not included, so be sure to bring those with you or plan to buy them when you arrive. The sheet size for the bed is twin extra long. Additional items that you may need, like a fan, desk lamp, or laundry supplies, can be purchased at the Yale bookstore or other nearby stores. Last but not least, let's talk about the amazing resources and attractions available to you at Yale and in New Haven this summer. At Yale, you will have access to world-renowned resources. In a single day, you can study inside the idyllic Sterling Memorial Library, get some exercise at Yale's massive Payne Whitney Gym, and take a leisurely stroll through works by leading innovators in art, architecture, moving image, and design in one of Yale's famous museums. New Haven is great year-round, but summer is when the city really comes alive. Festivals, farmers markets, theater performances, concerts, and of course, world-famous pizza. Decide if you like Pepe's, Sally's, Modern, or Bar's Pizza the best. You won't have any trouble finding fun in New Haven this summer. Visit infonewhaven.com to learn more about your home for the summer. We hope that this presentation makes you feel more prepared for your Yale Summer Session experience. We also have a checklist for visiting students on our website. If you have any remaining questions, please send us an email at summer.session@yale.edu. We look forward to welcoming you to Yale very soon.